G'day Trader Sam here, Trade to Prosper. Looking at Cotti, another follow-up from a previous post, which was on the 6th of the 8th, okay. And still, that was relatively accurate for what I said. It just didn't turn out to be a rising wedge or some sort like that. It's just pretty much flat in this area. So just talking about what I was talking about, this level of interest. So, do we see a trade here? Not yet. So what it's done is it's gone below the previous low and it's come up. So it's now in a small range. I dare say that it can potentially, I will use this as a breakout trade. So this is a 3-day chart. We'll go into it in more detail on small time frame. But this could be a reversal. And then bang, up. But it's a hostage to Bitcoin, as you know. Bitcoin is not dropping anytime soon, but we're going to have a quick look at that as well. But I do feel like the 618 is there, and we use the macro, this to there, and we've got a bit of confluence with the charts, with the Fibonacci along the way. There's a few ways of looking at it. One is that you do the wicks, top of the wicks, and the other one is pretty much the body of the candles in a way, and you get these two lots of fibs overlaying each other, and they both look relatively accurate. So based on that, we are relatively close to the bottom. However, you want to be confident. Well, I think this is a range that we're going to be in, and maybe we hit that and then come back down again, and we might just get accumulation around here, a range. So we might be here for a while. I can't see Bitcoin doing anything drastic yet. I don't think it will drop hard. Well, there's a lot of FUD out there and you don't know what it's going to do. So you got to play it safe, and what I'll be looking for is just in and out trades. So let's have a closer look at this. We've got a macro structure that's very evident that trend line is valid, and if it comes to that might be a good position to short. But you got to look at the signals, the wicks. If you get the wicks, they tend to be at key levels, they tend to be resistance. So okay, so from an RSI perspective, we'd like to see this level broken, and basically it does look like a reversal at the moment, but it hasn't broken out of it. So any formations? Not really. There's a broadening wedge on the daily, and then there's a breakdown. There is. I think this is a bottoming formation at the moment. Yeah, that's not an easy chart. Prices all over the place. So what methods can we use? Either that or that. So that's the only trade I can see. Can this be a channel or some sort? That is a range. Liquidity. So here you can see ever so slightly we wicked below it, so for liquidity, and then it's gone up. However, this is problematic. That there. So there is no trading there. What I like to see is, if I was to trade this, I'll just look for the edges. So look for swing failure trades pretty much. So I would like to see price go up to here, and then potentially look for a wick, swing failure trade, or I like to see price come down and then regain this level. If it regains this level, then I'll go long and then see how it goes. But that's pretty much it. This is it's coming down sideways, but as you can see, there's a bit of formations taking place. That one's a bit weird, but yeah, you can see formations still. I think this is going to grind and then come back down. So the 618 is definitely going to be a major resistance, and we might spike above it and then come back down and then find support. But this is looking like potentially a grind line. Maybe one more drop based on Bitcoin. There might be just one more opportunity and wherever it lands through, and usually it goes below the line. So because we have a relatively good line, and maybe it will just come down and then just overextend and then go. That might be a good buying position, and that is now a 20% drop. Yeah, I'll be happy with that, and take my chances with the accumulation. Just really got to watch how it plays out, but it's slowing down. There's some volatility up there, but it's really slowing down. Last time we spoke about it, we were here, saying that's going to come down. Yep. Now we've got a bit of a grind. We've got to see what kind of formation it takes. If it's overlapping highs and lows, then it's likely to drop, and then we'll see from there. But that's all I got, guys. And so I'm just interested in this area for long term. All right, I'm going to leave it at that. Please give me a like and share. Talk to you soon. Cheers.